Did you know the US military once planned to bomb its own citizens? In 1962, America's top generals had a problem. They wanted to invade Cuba, but they needed an excuse. So they created Operation Northwoods. The plan was terrifying in its detail. Bomb innocent Americans and blame Cuba. Sink boats filled with refugees. Shoot down a passenger plane packed with CIA agents pretending to be college students. They would plant fake communist propaganda at the scenes. Stage terror attacks in Miami and Washington, D.C. Create fake evidence of Cuban involvement, all to justify a war. The Joint Chiefs of Staff signed off on it. America's highest military leaders were ready to murder their own people. President Kennedy saw the document and refused. But here's what's truly chilling. The plan stayed classified for 35 years, hidden from the American people. It makes you wonder, if they were willing to go this far in 1962, what other operations did they approve? What other documents are still classified?